Installing a new door can dramatically enhance the appearance, security, and energy efficiency of your home. Whether you are upgrading an old entry door, installing a patio door, or adding a new interior door, preparing your home properly can help ensure a smooth installation process and optimal results. In Sumter, where the climate can be hot and humid, proper door installation can also provide added insulation and protection against the elements. Here's a step-by-step guide to preparing your home for a door installation to ensure everything goes smoothly. Clear the area around the door. The first and most important step is to clear the area surrounding the door where the installation will take place. Remove any furniture, rugs, or decor that might obstruct the work area. This includes anything inside and outside of the door frame. For exterior doors, move any planters, landscaping, or outdoor furniture that could be in the way of the workers. You should also make sure that the installer has easy access to the area where the door is being installed. This might involve moving a vehicle out of the driveway or making sure there are clear walkways to avoid any delays. Clear paths will allow the installers to work efficiently and safely. Prepare for dust and debris. Door installations often create a bit of dust and debris, especially if any framing or drywall work needs to be done. If you're installing an exterior door, there may also be some dirt or weather-related mess. Protecting your home from dust and debris is key. Consider covering nearby furniture, flooring, or surfaces with drop cloths or plastic sheeting. If your door installation is happening in a high-traffic area, make sure that the floors are covered and that any sensitive areas, like carpet or delicate flooring, are well protected. For those who are particularly sensitive to dust or allergies, be sure to let your installers know so they can take additional precautions. Ensure proper measurement before the installers arrive. It's essential to make sure that the measurements of the new door and the door frame are correct. Inaccurate measurements can lead to delays or the need for a second installation attempt. If you're working with a professional installer, they will likely handle this for you, but if you're installing the door yourself or working with a less experienced team, double-check the size of the door, frame, and any gaps that might require adjusting. For external doors, you might also want to check if the door needs additional weatherproofing materials, such as weather stripping or a threshold, to help keep the elements at bay. Secure pets and children. During the installation process, your home will be a busy work zone. There may be tools, ladders, and even heavy materials involved. It's important for both safety and comfort that you secure pets and small children away from the work area. Make sure your pets are safely indoors or in another room to prevent any accidents, and consider keeping young children occupied with a fun activity in a separate part of the house. Let your door installers know about any potential distractions or hazards so that they can work efficiently and safely. A safe environment for both the workers and your loved ones is critical to a successful project. Plan for the weather. Sumter's climate, which can be hot and humid, can have an impact on door installation, especially if it involves an exterior door. Before the installation team arrives, check the weather forecast. If there's a possibility of rain or extreme temperatures, the installers may need to adjust their schedule. You may also want to consider how the installation might affect the insulation of your home. If you're replacing an exterior door, it's crucial to make sure the installers have enough time to finish the job without leaving your home exposed to the elements. Make sure the door is properly sealed before the installers leave for the day, and follow up to ensure that the door is fully secure. Communicate your expectations before the installation begins. It's important to communicate your expectations with the installers. This includes discussing things like the door's aesthetic features, functionality, such as the locking mechanism, and any other specific needs or concerns you might have. Whether you're interested in additional energy efficiency features or specific hardware, clear communication will ensure that the door is installed exactly how you envisioned it. Be prepared for the installation process. On the day of installation, it's helpful to be available to answer any questions the installers may have. Expect the process to take a few hours depending on the complexity of the job. Keep in mind that the installers may need to remove the old door, make any necessary adjustments to the frame, and ensure the new door fits properly before completing the installation. By preparing ahead of time and communicating effectively with the installers, you can help ensure that your door installation goes smoothly, leaving you with a beautiful and functional new addition to your home in Sumter. Preparing for a door installation may take some effort, but with the right preparation, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and energy-efficient home. So, take the time to clear the area, protect your belongings, and communicate your needs. Your new door will be well worth the effort.